The Oishii Nippon project, or Delicious Japan project, was launched by the Tokita Seed Company to bring delicious and beloved Japanese vegetables to American chefs and home cooks. The Oishii Nippon project focuses on the vegetable staples of Washoku, Japan's traditional practice of respecting nature and the harmonious production, preparation, and eating of food. In the fertile growing areas south of San Jose, California, organic farmer Chris Brigantino shows Chef Toni Sakaguchi from the Culinary Institute of America some of the Japanese vegetables he's growing on his farm as part of the Oishii Nippon project. Some of Japan's favorite heirloom vegetables, Fioretto, Negi, and zuccuri. Fioretto is cauliflower's delicate cousin and boasts a more vibrant, balanced, subtly sweet flavor. The coral-like florets of the Fioretto resemble tiny flower bouquets on top of long, slender stems. This versatile vegetable can be used in place of cauliflower or broccoli and enjoyed raw, steamed, grilled, stir-fried, sautéed, or roasted. When roasted, Fioretto becomes delectably tender and takes on the flavors of various herbs and spices wonderfully. Succulent, fresh, and fragrant, Negi is a staple of Washoku, cultivated in Japan since antiquity and found in many traditional Japanese dishes. Growing often more than 3 feet in length, Negi closely resembles a European leek, distinguished by its long, sleek white stalks and hollow green tops. Compared to European leeks, however, Negi have a layered core. Boasting a garlic-like aroma and sweet earthy flavor, Negi is used to bring out the savory notes in meat, fish, and vegetable dishes without overpowering them. This onion variety has a tender, almost creamy interior, making it ideal for grilling as well as low and slow cooking. Negi can be substituted for leeks in soups, stews, savory tarts, or gratins for a hearty, slightly sweet flavor. Like green onions, this vegetable can also be eaten raw. Zuccuri is a variety of dry kabocha squash, similar to chestnut in sweetness and a sweet potato in texture. This versatile winter squash is packed with flavor from its vibrant orange interior to its edible dark green skin. Zuccuri has a soft, melt-in-your-mouth consistency, but also holds its form well when cooked, and can be added in cubes to soups, stews, curries, and casseroles. It can also be enjoyed sautéed, fried in tempura batter, or roasted. This sweet winter squash pairs well with warming spices like nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon, as well as sage, thyme, cilantro, and makrut lime. In this video series, I'll show you some delicious and healthy recipes featuring Fioretto, Negi, and zuccuri.